Today's January 2nd, 2023. We're at St. James on the Port Jet branch, just east of the station itself. Here to see train 615 running between Port Jeff and Penn Station. However, due to an issue with the prior dual mode equipment that was supposed to go out to Penn Station, substitute conventional equipment is running. Equipment being used is C3 cab car 5007 leading, the E30AC 405 on the rear with 4. This train will run as far west as Jamaica, and where MU equipment will be taking train 615 all the way to Penn Station. And this train's running on time. Time now is 7:50. This train 615 is now making its arrival here. And I'm sure there are going to be some unhappy passengers on this who boarded this train that would normally take a dual mode train direct to Penn Station without a switch at Jamaica. This train will go as far west as Jamaica, and this equipment will go into Jamaica storage yard for the day. Supposedly the crew will probably switch equipment at Jamaica and take the MU equipment into Penn Station. The supposed equipment that was supposed to run on this train was supposed to be DM30AC 509 West End, 521 on the East End with 8. And that equipment never made it out of Jamaica this morning. This equipment was supposed to be used for train 611, which was canceled as a result of the equipment issue of the dual mode.